Hello and welcome to another tutorial of Swostha Digital Health. Today, we will learn how to book a consultation. Firstly, let us enter the web address, swostha.health. Once at the home page, click on the login button and let us enter our username and password and press login. After logging in, we can see the search bar on the top section of the page. Here we can search for the doctors or hospitals. If we are familiar with the doctor, we can directly search for their name. We can also search for hospitals and clinics, or can simply make a search based on the category or specialization. Now if we scroll down, we can see a section which contains categories, with which we can choose a specialization to find the related doctor. To browse more categories, we can click the Explore More button. If we scroll further down, we can find the section of doctors, where there are 5 featured doctors of Swostha Digital Health. We can select the doctor relevant to our needs. Now let us scroll up and click on the Find Doctors option in the top menu bar. We are now directed to the doctors page, where we can see a list of doctors with their professional details. To see more doctors, we can press the Show More button. There is also a search bar on the top of the page with which we can search doctors based on their names and hospitals. We can also apply filters like gender and speciality of the doctor. For instance, let us select Dr. Pankaj Jalan. Now we are directed to the selected doctors page. Here we can find all the required information, such as offered consultation types, time and availability, and charges. If we scroll further down, we can also find the doctor's profile, which has all the information about the doctor. Now let us press the Book Appointment button, which will open available time slots. We can choose the required date from the calendar and time slots from the section below. After selecting the required time slot, the Book Now dialog pops up. We can see the type of consultations offered by the doctor. There are 3 types of consultations, namely, video, direct and home visit. Please note that home visits are available for people under the distance radius determined by the doctor. We also have the function to book appointments for family or friends linked to our account. For instance, let us select video consultation and click the Book Now button. We are now directed to the payment page, where we can also find the booking and payment summary. Swostha Digital Health provides 5 different payment methods, such as credit or debit card, e-Sewa, net banking, direct payment and adjustment. We will explain these mode of payments in another video. Let us choose e-Sewa for the moment and press Book Appointment. This will direct us to the payment portal, where we need to enter our credentials to complete the payment. After the payment, we will receive a confirmation message with time, date and order ID. This will also be sent to our registered email address and mobile number. We can view the details by clicking the View Booking Details button. In the order details page we are also allowed to reschedule or cancel our order. We can also view or track our orders from the Order Tracker option on the drop-down menu. Our virtual consultations are stored in the video consultation page, which can be accessed from the drop-down menu. We can see here the scheduled consultations and can join during the booked time by clicking the Join button. After the consultation, the doctor will prescribe necessary medications and lab tests. We can find these in the My Swostha page. Let us click My Swostha from the menu bar. In the prescription menu we can find our previous and current prescription. We can view the prescription details by selecting the required one. Now, in the selected prescription page, we are able to print or directly order the medicines by pressing the Add to Cart button, which will open a pop-up where we can select the pharmacy, quantity, view the price and also the available stock. For the lab tests, let us select Clinic Orders in the My Swostha page. We can now browse our previous and current prescribed tests. Let us select the recent one, which will open a page with the prescribed test name. We can order this directly by clicking the Add to Cart button. This opens a pop-up where we can search for diagnostic labs to choose from and make an order. Thank you for choosing us. Swostha Digital Health. Better health, just one click away.